Hi, it's Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to my latest listing. I love this home. It sits in one of the greatest positions. At the top of the hill, we've got the Rockhampton Grammar School, the Rockhampton Base Hospital, and if we follow Archer Street down to the riverbank, in just a few hundred metres, we've got some of the best eateries in Rockhampton. But come with me, let's check out Thurston Street and I'll show you 22 Thurston. Well, here it is, 22 Thurston Street. I'm sure you're going to be as delighted as I am. Take a look. So one of the greatest features of this home is the rear lane access for the backyard. Room for a carport, a shed, or just general access to the property. You're going to love that flexibility. Well, there you have it, 22 Thurston Street. If you love it just as much as I do, give me a call. I'd love to help you own this charming, super cute little cottage in Rockhampton.